Hello viewers, welcome to the part 3 of 3 video series on AI and India. The part 1 covered the basics of AI and ML with respect to its present and future trend. Part 2 encompassed AI and Indian ecosystem, and now part 3 is on AI and HR. HR is a good old and evergreen field. HR we remember to be an intrapersonal, emotional, face-to-face, one-to-one connecting aspect between the management and the people. HR sometimes is even viewed to be more painful and difficult to understand vertical than operations or maintenance. So what is HR? And is AI having any impact on HR at all? Yes, AI is indeed having an impact on HR. It is to be very clear at this juncture is the automation aspect of digitization is not AI. There are various aspects of human resource which has now been digitized. But with emergence of AI, as we have seen in part 1 of the video, is more to add the rationality and think and act like human. So, in an HR department, hypothetically, AI means today to be an interface between management policies and its easy roll out on the work floor, thereby acting as liaison between policy makers and its implementers. All fields of HR has been transformed due to implication of AI under the 4 major verticals which we can be discussed today. First and foremost, the traditional way in which recruitment was being done is being impacted by various software based applications which are AI based. The impact of this can be readily seen on Facebook pages, LinkedIn profiles, and also a few customized recruitment softwares which are available and utilized by various employers. Like we have profiling of people seeking loan in a bank, the potential recruiters can identify the core skill as per their requirement based on resume which is being submitted, video which is being submitted, based on their previous employment history and the domain in which they are employed can easily be understood, data mined and be mapped so that the most crucial aspect of scrutinizing your biodata is overcome and done digitally. Also, aspects like scrutinizing your qualification, the grades which you have obtained, the semester percentages, the backlogs which you have, all those things can be clearly laid out in terms of recruitment. Utilization of AI in recruitment is also seen in based on which the examination patterns which is followed by fresh recruiters and for senior supervisors based on the interviews and their own job profiles is easily evolved using AI and customized tools. Hence, yes, by application of AI, HR personnel are finding it easy to shortlist the candidates, bring in and handpick the exact nature of skill set which is sought out by any department, and also as a human factor, the main obligation or the drawback of the system wherein the HR did not know which vertical or from which technicality a person has to be selected is overcome as the human aspect is replaced by machines. Hence, the error which an HR recruiter could have been done is overcome using software. Once recruitment is completed, the second and major application which is being seen is the employer engagement within the company. Various AI based tools are utilized by employer to monitor the activity of the employee in terms of project deadlines, the contributions made by the employee, the tools which are being used to develop a code or roll out a project, the total man hours which are being spent, the financial outlays which is being undertaken by him, number of trips or the traveling which is undertaken by the employee, and also the effort put in by him and the outcome which is delivered. It could be in terms of marketing, it could be in terms of advertising, or it could be in terms of delivering the core requirement of the company. All these aspects are used in the engagement profile. More so, traditional aspects like annual confidential report, as performance appraisals, audit management, compliance management are also being done, and various tools towards this are developed so that the man in between, the man in the middle aspect, that is the HR's job, becomes easy, digitized, more transparent. In the COVID situation, various case studies have emerged wherein the work from home culture has been audited by using AI based tools on the amount of time spent by the employee at their terminal delivering the tasks which are given by the organization or by their team leaders. However, the known disadvantage of this includes infringement of the privacies, and can this be an effective tool to monitor the performance of the employee? And can also the human in between, that is the HR, can they totally be replaced by AI? That is a debatable question. Employment engagement also is followed by one important aspect, that is the training. Today, the HR in a traditional way was thought for one fit for all training, wherein one curriculum or one program is evolved to which all supervisors, senior supervisors or management are given the same kind of teaching. There cannot be any kind of customization. Today, by use of AI and based tools, you can see wherein based on the employee's position in the organization, his previous experience, the skill sets which he already has, the skill set which he is seeking to upgrade to, can all be suggested by using various AI-based techniques, thereby suggesting the employer to undergo such and such training or to do so and so programs to upskill himself with the concurrent technology. It can also be seen on a more open source tools like Coursera or any other tools wherein based on your search profile, it suggests the training programs or the courses which you can undertake. In my part 2 of the video, I have also brought out the Government of India website, India AI, wherein various training programs are suggested there which can be gone through and we can enroll ourselves. That is one small step. The most important domain in which AI is struggling to make a contribution or can make a very great impact is in the decision making. Decision making is an integral part of human resource, no matter you're working as a shop level, middle level, supervisor level, or top management level. Today, the decisions are based on descriptive inputs, detailed reports, or on analytical reports. AI helps to mine these important analytical and data-based reports. Few things which are missed by human eye for interpretations can be clearly highlighted by AI-based logic. Thereby, these decision-making tools will aid the decision makers, that is the top management, middle management, supervisor, based on the domain on which they want to apply. The efficacy of algorithms in terms of evolving SWOT analysis, conducting decisions or a threat matrix, decision based on various parameters, decisions based like on aspects like operational management, human resource aspects, and organizational requirements can also be easily met using these AI-based decision-making techniques. Hence, friends, by citing these 4 simple examples, I have tried to explain how AI can make an impact on the major 4 verticals which are today dealt by HR and is treated to be a Herculean task. The efficiency of AI in these processes in certain aspects is very well validated. At certain aspects, it is still under evolution. Hence, if you are in an AI vertical in your organization and looking in your organization, and if you have say in the HR aspects or developing projects wherein AI and HR are to interface with each other, your valuable comments will help the organization prosper and to evolve better AI-based algorithms and software techniques wherein the effectiveness of the system can be continuously incorporated. Hence, the challenge of HR is not just in using the AI as a simple ready-made material, but also you have a very key role to play in developing a AI-based tool which will make your job as an HR professional easy and welcoming in your organization. Ladies and gentlemen, with this I have completed the 3-segment series on AI and ML in Indian ecosystem and in HR. I request you to please leave your comment in the comment box below and provide suggestions as to which all kind of videos based on AI ML which you would like to seek or to be made on this channel and to be posted. I request you to please subscribe to the channel and be a regular visitor and suggest to others by pressing the bell icon and also the like button. Thank you. Take care. Good night.